Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how you can make your Android phone into iPhone. For this one, you have to open Play Store, and here you have to type iPhone 12 launcher. And here you will see app something like this. You have to click on install tab. After the installation, you have to open this application. Click on get started. Click on allow, and then you have to click on OK, enable now. Now you have to allow the permissions. You have to enable this tab, and then you have to check the full screen box. Click on get started. Here you can see our Android device is now turned into iPhone. So in the same way, you can also make your Android phone into iPhone 12 Pro Max. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.